everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're back here with Frankenstein's Monster and a brand new Dr. Frankenstein, even though he's been here forever, longer than I've been here. When did you come back?
Well, actually, I'm just back to see if I can do something with this.
Yeah. What have you done so far? Last time I saw it, it was full of junk.
More or lless, when I got here, like I say, I decided the first thing I want to do is get a top on it. So we put the roof back on, got it all welded in. Just trying to finish it up so I can go around the rest of the body and see what I can do with it.
You said something about putting hinges on the hood too?
Well, we want to do something with that hood. The lift off, you know, with the 4 pins, that's not going to work. Nobody wants to fool with that stuff. So, yeah, I'm going to see if I can kind of make up some kind of hinge system on it where I can just latch it down in front like normal, and just put some hinges and maybe some strut shocks on it, like just for raise it up and lower it down. So, yeah, hopefully you do something with it.
Yeah, I think it'll be nice.
But the glass fits. I'd already put the windshield and the back window in, so all that's fitting good. So
what's your timeline? You got what? Body,
well, that's
and then glass and then paint?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna well, I probably might even paint it before the glass goes in.
Okay.
Just so I can get a nice color paint around it. But first is fix some of this rust on it. There's some places need to be fixed. I've already pushed out the right rear corner here. It had been caved in a little bit, so I got that pushed out yesterday. So yeah, just trying to get this thing looking like something, get this rust out of it, take care of all of that first, and make sure everything lines up good. Get it in primer and then hopefully paint it here soon.
Yeah, now I don't know if I'm supposed to say, but green and white?
Yeah, that's what we're going with.
Like a Motion?
The Motion Camaro, yes.
If you hadn't seen the first video, this is a Frankenstein 94 Formula with a 73 body, is that right?
Yes, yeah.
Our Ben picked it up as a toy, I guess, to see what we could do with it.
Yeah, he wanted this project, so he found it out in South Carolina marketplace, and I guess the guy had some wild dream of making some kind of custom car, so he bought the 2 cars and put them together, and he did a decent job. I gotta say, with all the metal work that was put into this car, it's a nice car. I mean, he done some nice little details on it that really stand out, like the front spoiler and the rear spoiler, but hopefully get it. Then he saw, I think he was cutting the top off. He wanted to put T-tops on it. Then he found out that T-tops he wanted, he couldn't get the parts for or something like that. But
never can.
So anyway, so we decided to go with the hard top. Ben was asking me, he said, what do you want to do with it? I said, what do you think, make it convertible? I said, man, just put the top back on and make a car out of it, and so he can drive this thing. So I got the top on it now, just some finishing touches on it, and like I say, start on the rest of it. But it's going to be a neat little project.
It'll be fun. Now, is everything staying relatively the same on it? I know you said something earlier about going back to chrome bumpers.
Oh yeah, we're going to check. Yeah, take the black painted bumpers off, put chrome back on it. The real fun is going to be the dash. The dash is going to be, it's 94 Formula Firebird right now, what's left of it, but hopefully we're going to put a Camaro dash in.
Okay.
And make it, somehow I got to make it blend from the 94 Firebird to a 73 Camaro.
Okay.
And make everything fit and work, because the console is going to be the Firebird console, seats, it's all going to be, it's just the out shell that you see is going to be Camaro. And so, yeah, the crossover to make everything work together. That's
the best part.
Yeah,
try to document it as best we can. But yeah, are we keeping the knee splitter or the ankle splitter? I mean, in the front, the metal.
Well, I think so. It's different. So the whole car's different. So why not?
Yeah.
Well, might as well just leave some things alone, I guess. And it's all welded in pretty good. So to do that, it'd be a job just to tear it apart.
More work, take it off, and leave it.
Yeah, just leave it on. It'll work. We'll make it work, hopefully with a decent paint job, and it'll look nice.
That'd be good.
And I like the gas cap here too, you see. So I gotta see if I can't polish it up or something. We don't want black, but hopefully I get polished aluminum or whatever it is there, get that looking nice. So we're keeping the exhaust side pipes. That's actual header side pipes, so we're gonna keep those, gotta clean them up, keep the chrome bumpers, might even put chrome mirrors, I don't know. Probably paint it, but.
Well, stay tuned for more updates. It's going to be a fun ride. Let us know in the comments if you want to see anything in particular, if there's certain things you're like.
Or any ideas.
Yeah,
I'm all for it. If somebody throws something at me and say, hey, why not do this?
Yeah. Somebody's gonna be like, I'm also doing a 73 body on a 94.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.